empowered individuals, people who have influence over their community. You are resistant to the prediction software, the social engineering, the manipulation for their agenda, trying to dumb down the population and plug everyone into a proto-matrix, technocratic slave grid that they're obviously setting up. Those people who have influence over their community, which they say have always existed as a minority group, but now that we're in an age of globalization, the community that an individual has to influence is now global. When you have one ant standing up to them, you know, they all might stand up. They just absolutely cannot allow that to happen given the agenda that they have. One single person who they've deemed with their algorithm AI software as being non-compatible with the system they're just trying to set up, they can't let one influential so-called empowered individual left up to their own devices, because then your ideas, your thought seeds, it spreads, it becomes contagious. It's your personality. It's something that you're not even aware of completely, but they are, because they've been, using the surveillance grid to track everything and how things spread. They absolutely cannot let an empowered individual or a super empowered individual be left unharassed. Deliberately seeking out and targeting the most influential and outgoing individuals of their population with literally lethal weaponry, but it's done so in a covert way so they don't get sued. Your personality and just shining with your own light in a positive way actually has way more influence and reaches way more people, and your underlying vibe of independence and resistance carries with any message. That the best thing you can do is almost sort of carry on as if you've never been targeted, and that's what they really don't want, because the targeting program itself is designed to make you cynical towards your community, conversely making your community reject you as a crazy, as then your influence never gets through. Enjoy fighting the enemy with a smile.
Say no matter what your color, your race or your culture, this is our inheritance, to lead you on a merry dance.